Okay, guys. Now what I will do is I am going to create. Okay. Uh, so I'm going to explain about a concept called as prop drilling. Okay, prop drilling. What is prop drilling? I will just explain. Okay, just before that, what I will do is I will just create uh, the example so that it will be clear to you. Okay. First of all, I will do. I will just create the parent component. Component. Okay. Now in the parent component, so I'm using the parent component. Right now, what I will do is I will just do like this. Okay. Constant parent component. Okay. Now what I will do is export default parent component. Okay. Now what I will do here inside, I will return the JSX. I will use the div. Then I will use h1 parent component. Okay. Now what I will do is if I okay now I have created the parent component, then what I will do is I will go and update my index.js to the parent component and I will import parent component like this. Now I will go to terminal npm start cd my app npm start. Okay, guys, now if we go and see, we are able to see the parent component, right? Okay. Okay, now what I will do, okay, I will go here. I will create one more component, okay, called as child component, okay. I will go here, new file called child component.jsy. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just copy this one. Now I will go to child component, I will paste it. I will create child component. This is child component. This is child component. Okay. Now what I will do is I'm going to use the child component into our parent component. So for that, what I need to do is I need to import child component from import child component from child component. Then I'm going to use the child component like this. Right? Already we know like this. So I will get the parent component. Then I will get the child component. Okay, this is what already we know. Okay. Now what I wanted to do is okay, I wanted to send as a send some data from the parent component to the child component. Okay. I wanted to send the data from the parent component to the child component. Means what I will do, I will just use some constant okay data and set the data. Now what I will do is I will use state. Use state. I will tell hello, I am from parent. Okay, this is the use state. Now what I will do, I will pass the data. So this is the data. I am going to pass the children. Okay, this is what I will do. Okay. Now I will go to the children component. Okay. Now what I will get? I will get the prop. What is the prop name? If I go to parent component, this is the prop name. So I will copy this one. I'll pay. I just get the prop. Then here what I will do. Okay. Uh, I will just try to print this one. Okay. Data. I see. I got hello. I am from the parent, right? I got hello. I am from the parent. Now what I will do? I will just okay. So what I got? Okay, sorry. What I got? Hello, I am from the parent. So I got the data from the parent component to the children component. Okay. Now again, I have one more component. Okay. New file. I have something called as grandchild component.txt. Okay. Now I wanted to pass the data from this children component to the grandchild component. Okay. Children component to the grandchild component. What I will do here now again, I'll copy entire code. I'll go to grandchildren. Okay. This is nothing but grandchild component. Okay. This is grandchild component. This is grandchild component. Now, if I wanted to pass the data from the children to grandchild, what I need to do? I need to import this grandchild component into our children component. Okay. Now what I will do? I will go here. Okay. I will import grandchild from the grandchild component. Okay. Now what I will do? Instead of getting this data directly, I will use grandchild component data. I will use data. Okay. So I'm sending the data. Okay. Right. Now whatever we are getting the data from the parent component. Okay. It will go to children component. From children component again I'm passing to the grandchildren component. Okay. Grandchild component. Now if I go and use this data, if I print this one, see, I got the grandchildren component, and this message is from the it is applying. See, if I'm just okay, I'll put okay. This is showing in grandchild. Okay, so that this is showing it. So hello, I am from the parent. Now what is happening from parent to children? From children to grandchild, what we are sending? We are sending the prop, right? Always we are sending prop from parent to child, again child to grandchild, again grandchild to other childs. Okay, now if you see the real scenario, when we do login, okay, our login session should be there throughout the pages, right? Throughout the pages. When we log into Flipkart or Amazon, our login credentials should pass to all the pages, right? To all the components, right? So they will pass our username password to all the children components, right? That is called drilling, called prop drilling. So what we are doing, we are sending the data from the parent to child to grandchild. Okay, this is called nothing but prop drilling. Is this concept is clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So basically, see now every time what we are doing, we are sending this data always, right? So if we have 10, 15 components, every time we have to do like this, which is not at all good practice to do this one. Okay. To fix this one, we have something called as context API, or else we will use the Linux state management, etc. etc. So we will we will create a file where we will store the state and we'll pass it throughout the components without doing this kind of approach, without passing the props. Okay, that we will see in the next example. But this example is clear, very much clear, right? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. Can I share the code or can you practice?
Practice, sir.
Okay. Then what we have to do is index.js file. I just shared the index.js file. Remaining and all, I'm in the chart. Okay, in the Zoom chart. After that, okay, you just create three different files. One is parent component, one is child component, one is grandchild component, and you have to do how I did, right? I mean, step by step. You also try the same approach, then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, just take some 10 minutes and do it. Okay, hello. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have already shared the index.js file to you. Now we have now what we have to do is we need to create three components: parent component, children component, grandchildren component. Then add this code. Then let me know if you wanted to shift. I will go to different from the other JS file. If you wanted to see the code. Okay. I see this is done. Then we go for children component. I need the screenshot, guys. Just not like we don't want to waste the time. So I need the screenshots. Please practice. Hello, able to hear me?
Sir, can
Yes,
you show the parent component?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, done. Omkar.
1 minute, sir, last.
Okay. Okay.
One last remaining.
Yeah. Once done, let me know. Done.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah, I see which work has done, guys. We are taking much time. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Output is coming.
Some errors, sir. I am browsing, sir.
What is the error? What is the error you are getting?
One minute, sir.
Do you want to share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please share your screen.
Sir,
Yeah, I'm looking. Okay. Guys, can you look this issue? Let's see who will fix this one. Anyone can help here. Every time I'm fixing it, anyone can help here.
Inside prop drilling.
What is the problem, guys? Able to fix or do you need my help?
Yeah. In the index.js, I think the path is given wrongly.
Yes.
From dot slash props drilling slash parent component, isn't it?
What? What?
Like in the fourth line, I think you've given dot slash parent component. Instead of that, it should be dot slash. Just type and
Yes.
see. Yeah, yeah. Just remove that completely. Just yeah. Now give tab space.
Yeah.
You just give tab space.
Yes.
Can you press tab key? Yeah. Yes. That's, um, similarly for the grandchild also, I think. For the grandchild also, you change the import path. Like it's from props to right?
Okay, let me fix it. Go to index. Okay, man, go to index.js file. Okay, now here you have prop link parent components root. Okay, now go to your children component. Grand children data. Man, constant children component is that correct? See the syntax. Constant children component. You have to put equal to, right? Line number 3.
Yes, sir.
After
Third line, sir.
child component, you have to put equal symbol. Line number 3
Here.
constant. Line number 3 constant child component equal to equal to.
Here, sir.
No. Okay, give me the control. Here,
Ye- Sorry, sir.
missing this.
Shit.
Okay, now there is one more problem. You can't resolve prop drilling in prop drilling.
Prop
Change the component.js file. Okay, so here prop drilling. Okay, slash grandchild, right? So what you are doing? Children, parent component. You are importing children component. Okay, so you don't need to add this one directly. This is outside only, right? That's what I told you. You'll get confusion like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, check it out. Your browser.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is resolved, sir.
Okay. So while you are doing, right, just be careful how what is the path, how you are doing it. Okay, that is very important.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I will go for next. Okay, we have spent for so much time. Okay. So what I will do is day wise. Functional. Where is functional? The functional hooks. I'll just create a folder. Prop drilling. Now control, 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 sorry, control. Okay, copy, and I will paste. Okay, next one, I will just go for next one. Okay, so to fix
Sir,
this one,
sir,
yeah, who is that?
sir, kindly show me index.js.
Okay, yes. I have already shared in the Zoom chat.
Oh,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
then you can just copy and paste it. Okay, quickly I will go for next one. Okay, guys, to fix this one. Okay, okay. Now we have something called as okay. What I will do is just delete. I'll just keep this one. Later I will use this code. Okay. We have something called as uh, context. Okay. Context API. What is this context API? Okay. Okay. Allows us to pass data PH to the
Screen is not getting shared.
I'm sharing. Not visible. Okay. That question. Okay. Next is context API. Okay. Context API allows us to pass data to the component tree without explicitly passing props at every level. Okay. So what is this one? Using the context API, we don't need to pass the data like this on every level, right? We are passing from here, again we are passing here, and everywhere we are passing, right? We can have so using the context API. Okay, we can use the context API and then can achieve the design, right? Without passing the props on every level, we can just create one centralized place. Okay, we can just create one centralized place where we can add something. Okay, using the context API. Okay, what we are going to do. Okay, so basically this is little bit different. What I will do is we have to create a file called as any name, but should be valid name. Okay, I will just create MyContext.json. Okay, MyContext.json. Okay. Now here, what I will do is, okay, I will just okay, I'm just going to use something called as create context. As I told you, we are going to use the context API, so we have to use create context, which is coming from the React. Then I have to use the user state. User state. Okay, from React. Okay, create context and use state. I will tell you use state in which we are using all the time. So create whenever we are using the context API, we have to use the create context. Okay. Then what I will do is we have to create a variable. Okay, constant. Okay, else I will do export constant my context. So this we are going to use in some other places. I will just tell you. So we are going to create the context. Okay, how we are going to create the user state? Same thing. We are going to create a context. Okay, that is the second thing. Now, what I will do here is what I will do here. Now I will use again export constant. So we have to use something called as provider. Okay, provider. So I just use the same name, similar name like provider. Okay, we are going to provide the context. That's the reason I'm going to use this one. Okay. Now what I will do is I am going to use same code now. If I go to app parent component, okay, I will just use the same code now. Okay, same code, copy and paste. Now I'll use the return JSX. Return JSX. Okay. Here we have to do one more. Whatever we have created the context, okay, this M should be kept. Whatever we have created the context, okay, what we have to do like this, okay. This is the we have to remember same style we are going to use. My context dot provider. So we have to use this provider which is coming from the React. Okay. Now value. What is the value we are going to pass? We are going to pass data and set data. Data and set data. Okay. Data and set data we are going to pass. Okay. Where we are going to pass to all the children. To all the children. So we have to add the children prop here, and also we have to add the children here. This is the setup which we need to do for the create context. We have to. I am using this children. This is not required. Okay, now what I'm doing? I'm just importing the create context. Then I'm just creating the context on my variable called my context. Then I'm creating a provider. Then what I'm doing is I'm using the state. Then my context dot provider, I'm going to provide this value to all the children. That is the step which you need to do. Okay. Next. Now in my parent component, what I need to do is okay. Okay. We have some. Okay. This is okay. Now what I will do. This is my parent component, right? So what I am going to do is okay. Uh, so okay, this is okay. Now I have created the context now, which we are going to uh, pass this data. Okay, how we are going to do this simply in my parent component. What I will do is I will just remove this one. Okay, what I did, I will just remove this one. Also, I'm going to remove use state. This is not at all required. Okay, then in parent component. Okay, this parent component. I don't want to pass the prop. This is like this. Okay, what I did now, I have removed all the prop which is getting from the parent component. We are not going to do anything here. Okay. Now, now what I will do is I will go to child component. Okay. Here, what I will do is okay, I will import the grandchildren. Here you have to do one more thing. You have to import. Okay. Use context from React. Okay. And also you are going to import my context from my context. Okay, this is what you are going to do. Okay. Now what you will do is you are not sending any prop. You will remove the prop here. Also, you are going to remove the prop here. That's what, right? We are not going to use any. We are not going to send any props. Okay. Now simply, what I will use, I will just create like this. Okay. Constant data. Okay. Constant data. Use context. Constant data equal use context of my context. This is what we need to do here. I think even this is not required. That's now if we go to grandchildren component here, okay. What I will do in children component, I will just remove this one. That's even I don't want to put here. Even I don't need to put these things. I will directly use this one here, the grandchildren. Okay. So I will just enter. I will go to children component. I will just copy this one and I will paste here. I will just transform it. Okay, this is okay. Now even here also I will just remove the prop. Don't want to send the prop. Okay. What I use context data, use context of my context. Yeah. So finally, what I will do is only just okay. This data anyway, this data is coming. So when you any errors, children component already have comment that the process not. So if I go and see the output. What is that? What is the error? This should be fine, right? Okay, let me go and see the directory. This should be fine. My context and use context from here. Data. Let me rerun this one. It's successful. I don't know. Somehow some error is there. It should fine. But the concept is, if you understand, I have created the data from here, and I am not using any prop here, and directly I'm using the my context here. I'm getting the data here. So this is what the concept. But the thing is, it's not working. I don't know why. Please check. This should be fine. This one slash my any spelling mistake. My con. I'm not seeing any error. Data use context. My context. Is successful here. Let us see one more time. My context for JS. So what I'm doing is create here create context use state from React. And we export context. My context after create context is fine. My provided children. Then use the state I'm turning my context or provided value data and set data. It's fine. Then I'm having the parent component. Okay, where I'm
There are two curly braces in that my context.js.
okay, that is an object, right? It should be two only. See, that is JSX, right? We
Yes.
have to pass as an object. This should be fine. When we are
Okay.
passing the data, we have to pass like this. So then in my parent component, I'm having children. Yeah, children component. Then I will go to the children component where I'm having children component and child. Okay, so I'm passing this one child component, child component, and finally I am here. I'm using use context. Okay, so I will use React also. React comma from React and my context data use context of my context. And child component and I'm using the data. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. There is one mistake I did. Okay. So, the thing is, so we have children component, grandchildren, parent, my contact is fine. Okay. Likewise, when we created the browser, right, routing, so we have something called as app.js file. Okay. That is what is missing. So we don't have app.js file at all, right? See, we don't have we are seeing anything called app.js file. Okay, so we are doing parent component. Okay, but the thing is, we are going to add the app.js file. Okay, app.js file. This is app. Now I am going to create the app.js file. So I will just use the same thing. Okay, I will go to app.js file. I will just put it right. Okay, import React from React. Then I am going to import my parent. That is what the main component, right? Import parent component from the parent. Then I'm going to, oh sorry, I'm going to, I'm going to import uh, my provider from the my context. Then I will use, sorry, and I will use constant app. Okay, I will just use the JSX directly. Then what I will do, this is what the main thing. Okay, we have to return. We have to use JSX. Here, this is what the main. We have to do the my provider. Then we have to add parent component like this. Okay, that's it. Then we will use export default. Yeah. Yes. Now I will go and check it out. Now it should work fine. It's not working still. Seriously. Okay. No error. There is no error now. Okay. I'm printing the data, right? This is the data. I'm getting the data. I'm not getting that. Let me go ahead. So I have, okay, now this is my index.app.js file where I'm having parent component having the children. Okay, this should work. Let's see if this is not working. Then what we can do is we don't want to waste further time. Just need to check myself why it is not working. Ah, this is working, but there are no errors. It will not fix. No, either. But Guys, any other things which we miss? This should work.
My provider should be passed in props.
Wait, which one?
The my provider component.
We don't need to do anything because already we are sending the prop, right? Here, where in our my context, already we are sending as a value, right? Prop. This should be fine. We no need to send any additional things. Constant my provider.
It is my provider or my context.
My context dot provider. Yeah, that is my provider only. It should be my provider. This is fine. We have to add my provider. This is correct.
Oh, okay.
This is app.js file where okay, my index.js file having app.js file. Here I am using my provider, my context, and the parent component. Yeah, for parent component is called children component. This is a complex, I mean, but I just wanted to explain this concept. The thing is, why it is not? I think this is and finally brand children. Use context. My context. Okay, guys, everything is correct. Everything is correct, but I don't understand.
Sir, we can try in our laptop.
No. I mean, it should print, right? It should print. Body. Okay, guys, I don't want to waste further time. I'll just recheck. I mean, why it is not working. Okay, then I will just come back. Okay, is that fine?
What,
Okay,
sir?
I'll just recheck again. Okay,
Okay,
why
okay.
it is not working. Then we will see why it is not. I mean, I will just recheck why this is not working. Then I will come
Yes,
back.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I mean, okay, guys. I mean, that's it for today. I don't want to waste further time. We'll continue on Monday. Okay, that's take a break. Even I need to check this why this is not working. Okay, we can drop
Sure.
off. I mean, we can drop off right now. We can connect on Monday. I will just check this issue. Okay, and I will post accordingly in the Slack. Okay.
Okay. And sir, tomorrow and after tomorrow there is class?
No.
Saturday,
We'll
Sunday?
connect, we'll connect on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I will just check myself one more time and I will just come back. Okay. Why this or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for
Okay.
your time.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Good night.